Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Lofty N Scaler. So, what has the Lofty N Scaler been up to? I'll tell you in just a second. Okay, so it's been months and months since I've made an upload, made a video, and given you a progress report on the Lofty N Scaler. There's a good reason for that, because I have absolutely, positively made absolutely no progress whatsoever. So I had good intentions. I had everything I needed to make my switches. I still have it all upstairs. But then I had to have a hand surgery, carpal tunnel, nothing serious. Went fine. And then I just had recently, about 2 weeks ago, on December 20th, my hand surgery done on my right hand. Now, the stitches will come out tomorrow morning, hopefully, and then I'll be back to normal. But I really haven't made any progress whatsoever on my N-scale layout. Now, part of the reason is, if you'll notice that this area here, you can see I've got my TV set and some stuff back there, that this is actually my basement. This is the space I was going to turn into my model railroad layout room, or hobby room, or whatever you want to call it. But, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but I turned it into basically a studio for my YouTube channel that deals with photography and video. And I haven't really been consistent with that either. So I've been working. So work trumps all. Work trumps model trains, work trumps YouTube channels, it trumps everything. So between the surgeries and my YouTube channel, my other YouTube channel, and work, and all that stuff, I really haven't had any time dedicated to model railroading. And then another thing happened. My wife, since I abandoned my loft for the basement, she decided to rearrange. Now, it's not a bad thing at all. It's just a minor change in the layout of the loft, but it's going to change the way I approach things and do things. I'm going to have to change the layout plan. There are some functions and some things I'm going to keep, but I'm going to be changing some things. But I'm also going to change some things for the better, I think, because I'm going to really abandon the foam substructure per se, and I'm going to go with a 1/4-inch plywood base, and then I'm going to use Woodland Scenics risers, like Mike Pfeiffer does in his videos. And but I have to rearrange what I'm going to do, and the layout in my mind is going to be one big gigantic dog bone with a reversing loop on either end. But we'll get to that in a future video, and hopefully I was thinking maybe we could do some live streams where I'm actually planning, and then if you guys want to watch and chat and give me suggestions on what to do, that would be awesome. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a brief update on where I am, what I've been doing, and hopefully I'm going to be getting to model railroading here relatively shortly. And we'll start off with planning stages again of redesigning what I want to do, and then actually planning out the main line, making switches for the main line, and then installing it. And then we'll go from there. But anyway, thanks guys for tuning in and catching the update. Sorry I don't have anything more exciting to tell you. Check out my photography and video channel. Just type in Curtis Eustace, and then Curtis Eustace Photography and Video will pop up. And if you're interested in photography at all, I shoot portraits and commercial work and things like that. And I don't know if it would be of any interest to you at all, but if it is, stop on by. We'll see you next time. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell icon, and we'll talk to you later.